At ConceptShare, we strive to provide the best possible user experience for people reviewing creative assets. In our most current release, we focused on building a faster, more efficient creative review experience. 1. What were the motivations and goals for the revamp of the Proofing Workspace?
So over the past few months, we've been working hard in improving the Proofing Workspace, and the reason why we wanted to do that is because by talking to our customers, we realized that there were different areas that we wanted to improve upon. There were basically three main factors that motivated us to actually go in this direction. The first one is we wanted to improve the performance of the Proofing Workspace. We want people to feel like it's very responsive, it's very quick to react to the different interactions. The second one was to improve the real estate usage of the screen. We wanted people to actually visualize the asset in a very wide and broad way, and at the same time be able to work with the tools that they've come to love in ConceptShare. And the last one is we just simply wanted to revamp the visual design of it and actually make it super intuitive for new users, and at the same time for the existing ones, make the tool actually blend in the background so that they can actually focus on the task at hand and forget about the tool, but at the same time accomplish their goals.
Tom, can you tell us some of the most notable UI changes you made to ConceptShare?
Some of the changes that we made in the UI in the Proofing Workspace include an overhaul to the sort of visual design. What we really wanted to do there was to make it cleaner and simpler, a little bit more minimal, so that the UI itself recedes to the background and the focus is more on the content. And a couple of other things that we did that kind of support that, we're moving the controls to two sort of key areas. So they're all sort of consolidated into the sidebar on the right side of the application or the toolbar down on the menu. We also wanted to remove some of the intrusiveness that came from some of the pop-ups that were used when you're trying to create input or set your tool settings. So all that's now located in the sidebar. So you've got kind of one place to go when you're trying to provide feedback and the same place to go when you want to review feedback. We also took some time to work on these interactions around reading comments and selecting comments. So the interactions are more fluid and they're less jumpy, and it's a lot easier to see what comment you're reading, what comment you've already read, and being able to expand and control how you look at the comments is more intuitive now as well. And speaking of trying to give more real estate to the content itself, one place where that's really noticeable is in the compare mode. So in the past we had two sidebars, one for each of the assets that you're comparing, and we've just gone with one sidebar now, and you can actually choose which of the assets you want to see the information in the sidebar just by selecting it. So right now you can sort of flip back and forth, and the sidebar remembers the content you were looking at with each asset, so you can easily flip back and forth and compare not just the assets themselves, but the content in the sidebar of each asset.
For more information, contact us at customerservices@conceptshare.com.